National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock County in south central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from 7 miles northeast of Darien to McChesney Park and moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bully around 7:20 p.m., Janesville Airport around 7:25 p.m., Sharon and Clinton around 7:30 p.m., downtown Janesville around 7:35 p.m., Delavon Lake and Darien around 7:40 p.m., Moulton around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hanover, Eton, Tiffany, Shopier, Allens Grove, Emerald Grove, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Delavon and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause